Today I'm going to show you how to connect Facebook lead ads to N8N in the simplest way possible. If you run lead generation campaigns, this setup is a huge time saver because it lets you capture new Facebook leads automatically inside your workflow without having to manually check for them. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick N8N tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the workflow you want to use inside N8N. This can be an existing workflow or a brand new one, depending on what you're building. Once you're inside the workflow editor, go to the nodes panel and search for Facebook lead ads trigger. This is the node that will listen for new leads coming from your Facebook forms. After you add the node to your canvas, click on credentials. Here, you'll add your credential details so N8N can connect to your Facebook account properly. Enter the required information, then configure it according to your setup. Make sure everything is filled in correctly so the trigger can authenticate and work as expected. Once your credentials are added, continue with the node configuration and save it. At this point, your Facebook lead ads trigger is connected and ready to use in the workflow. From here, you can build the rest of your automation around the incoming lead data, and that's it. You've connected Facebook lead ads to N8N. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial.